Hello, welcome back to the channel. This video explains how to remove Shopify branding from transactional email. So to get started, when you send transactional emails like order confirmations, shipping update, or account creation message through Shopify, they sometimes include email Shopify brand like powered by Shopify at the bottom. So the good news is that you can remove the branding without Shopify Plus. So to do this, go to your Shopify admin, navigate to settings and click on notification. From there, open any of the email template you want to edit, such as order confirmation or a shipping confirmation. Inside the email template edit, you will see HTML code that controls the email content. Then scroll down to the bottom for the code, then look for the lines that contains something like powered by link. Then this is the tag that inserts your Shopify brand. To remove it, then simply delete the powered by link. Then the line from the template code. After removing it, click on save. Then this change will stop Shopify from inserting the powered by Shopify text in your transactional emails. You can do this for every notification email you want to clean up. So this is also a good ideas for sending a test emails after editing to make sure it looks the way you want, but no Shopify branding showing up.